Blower time for Milo. Milo, come. Come here. Blower time for Milo. Sit. Sit down. Come on. Sit. Come on. Closer. 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 That's a good boy. He's a good boy. Blower time for Milo. No, come here. It's not finished yet. Milo, it's not finished. It's not finished yet. Come here. Milo. Come on. It's not finished. It's not finished. Ay, ay, ay. Sige na nga. Tapos na nga. Naligo po siya sa ulan. Iniwan ko siya sa labas ng ilang oras. 5 hours. Kawawang Milo.